99% of people are financially trapped not because of their boss, but because their brain is stuck in a survival loop. But there is a magic number that flips a switch in your head and forces wealth to happen automatically. Once you hit this milestone, you stop working for money and math starts working for you. That number is $20,000. Forget what the gurus tell you. You don't need a private jet or millions to change the game. Grinding for years accumulating pennies is not how wealth is built. The truth is much different. $20,000 is the turning point where your financial boulder finally crests the hill. My name is Nick, and I spend way too much time studying financial psychology and why people stay stuck. The crazy part is that most people have no idea this threshold even exists. When you don't have savings, your brain operates in survival mode, blocking rational thought. If you want to understand the real mechanics of building wealth, make sure to subscribe. Before this point, every decision is filtered through fear, like navigating a ship during a storm. You accept bad jobs and conditions because you simply have zero other options. But crossing the 20,000 threshold literally rewires your brain. Fear is replaced by strategy. Instead of asking, "How do I survive?" you start asking, "How can I grow?" Savings increase happiness by 21%. This buffer moves you out of panic. $20,000 is the space to finally breathe. This is where the mathematical magic begins. Saving $1,000 a month reaches the first $20,000 in 19 months. Most people give up here, but the second $20,000 only takes about 17 months. Why? Because your first money is already working for you, generating returns without your effort. And the third $20,000 milestone? The timeline shrinks even more. Your money does the heavy lifting. As the numbers grow, the acceleration becomes almost comical. Every milestone gets easier. Many people think the wealthy have a secret club with hidden knowledge. But the secret is simple. It's just a basic calculator and discipline with a 10% return. A 10% gain on $1,000 is almost invisible and can be discouraging. But that same 10% on $20,000 is a serious amount that starts to look real. You literally begin to receive money while you are sleeping in a hammock. Investing in index funds is like having an automatic fishing rod in an ocean of numbers. Scale changes everything. With 20,000, you start looking at the world from the top down. The path to wealth becomes wider and clearer once you have a solid foundation. With a small capital, the profit looks tiny even under a magnifying glass. But when the capital is large, that same return turns into a mountain of gold. Discipline is your meditation. You become calm, focused, and steady. You learn to say no to temptations, like a new expensive car on credit. Every day checked off on the calendar is a step closer to your freedom. Discipline becomes a shield that protects you from unnecessary spending. In the mirror, you will see a person who is in full control of their destiny. At the crossroads of life, you choose the path to the wealth forest over instant pleasure. The financial gym is where you pump your assets, not just your muscles. You will feel how taking control of your life fills you with power. Your confidence will grow, casting a shadow as large as a mountain. You stop chasing shiny toys and focus on the ultimate goal. Financial emergencies will simply bounce off your $20,000 shield. Car broke down? You just take the money from your cushion without ruining your nerves. Laptop died? You calmly go and buy a new, better one. Now you evaluate investments with a cold eye, not with hope for a miracle. When looking at luxury, you measure its cost in the years of your freedom. You can talk to your boss as an equal without the fear of being fired. You aren't afraid of ticket prices or services because you are prepared. Money starts to attract itself to you like a powerful magnet. You choose options instead of being driven by fear. On the chessboard of life, you now have many more pieces than the bank. You throw away the trash of micro decisions. The price of coffee no longer bothers you. You look through a telescope at global things, housing and major assets. Your focus shifts to optimizing savings rather than saving on pennies. In the library of knowledge, you look for strategy, not discount coupons. You become a gardener who grows a wealth tree while ignoring the weeds. The moment of true liberation from microstress finally arrives. You see the difference between a money trap and a real asset. You no longer need to look wealthy in an expensive car, you become wealthy in a reliable one. You fly over the clouds of small expenses, seeing the big picture. Strategy weighs much more than a handful of small coins. The paycheck chain no longer holds you in slavery. You break that chain with the hammer of your first $20,000. You can simply walk away from a toxic office knowing you have the gift of time. Your confidence in negotiations becomes your main trump card. An umbrella of walk-away money protects you from any corporate storm. Now you are the one interviewing the company, not the other way around. Your aura of calm at work becomes noticeable to everyone around you. The word no to unreasonable boss requests sounds firm and steady. Your growth becomes automatic. You rise to a whole new level. You are a financial ninja, easily bypassing any office obstacles. Warning, at 20,000, the stupid purchase trap opens up, like a shiny jet ski. But you simply walk around it with a knowing smirk. Your $20,000 seed turns into a strong golden tree. You see how new cars lose value and literally melt away. Don't bury your money in a graveyard of old iron and gadgets. Just calculate the opportunity cost of massive car payments. In old age, you will be wealthy because you showed patience today. You are cooking the stew of long-term wealth with the right recipe. Protect your capital from the monsters of inflation and extra spending. Your money multiplies in safety, like plants in a greenhouse. You choose freedom over a bigger apartment in a fancy neighborhood. Simple hobbies bring joy while your capital grows in the shade. You are the architect of your future life, and your project is grand. Separate momentary cravings from what you truly need. Your compass now always points toward financial independence. Real rest is when you don't need to check your email or phone. Your future self will thank you for every right decision made. Remember, the best day to start is today. You are building a foundation of pure gold, brick by brick. Walk toward your freedom. This path is worth taking. Watch as the numbers in your app start to glow bright green. Compound interest becomes your best friend and helper. Throw away the habit of living paycheck to paycheck once and for all. Time now works exclusively for your well-being. Knowledge is the golden key to doors that were previously locked. Choose the path of creating wealth, not the path of eternal stagnation. The ladder to the clouds is built. All that's left is to climb it. Your future shines as brightly as the stars in the night sky. Continue to care for your savings, and they will repay you in kind. This is the end of the era of being broke and the beginning of your new, free life.